How to Write a Sermon, Part 1. Today I will briefly look at the three parts of the sermon. The first part of the sermon is the introduction. The introduction simply introduces the topic of the sermon. The second part of the sermon is the body of the sermon. The body of the sermon expands and explains the topic of the sermon. If your sermon topic is about why God's word is powerful, then the body of your sermon should expand and explain this topic. I will explain how to outline the body of the sermon in the next video. But for now, I just want to focus on the three parts of the sermon. We have the introduction and we have the body of the sermon. The third part of the sermon is the conclusion. The conclusion simply summarizes what the sermon is about and reinforces the main preaching points of the sermon. For more information about how to write a sermon, click on the links below and you will be taken to several articles that will explain how to write a sermon in greater detail.